Right. There is another reaction coming in from Shantanu Sen after 50 plus days of free run. Shahjahan Sheikh has been finally arrested. Let's listen into the reaction.
শেখ শাহজাহানের আজকের এই অ্যারেস্ট প্রমাণ করলো তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস দলগতভাবে এবং আমাদের সরকার প্রশাসনিকভাবে রাজধর্ম পালন করতে পারে। ঠিক যেভাবে আমাদের দলের মন্ত্রী তথা মহাসচিব পার্থ চট্টোপাধ্যায় থেকে শুরু করে আমাদের দলের মন্ত্রী জ্যোতিপ্রিয় মল্লিকের বিরুদ্ধে পদক্ষেপ নেওয়া হয়েছিল, ঠিক যেভাবে উত্তম সর্দার, শিবু হাজরাদের মতো তৃণমূলের সাথে যুক্ত অভিযুক্তদের বিরুদ্ধে প্রশাসন পদক্ষেপ নিয়েছিল সন্দেশখালী কেসে, ঠিক সেভাবে আজকে শেখ শাহজাহানকে অ্যারেস্ট করতে পারলো। আমাদের সর্বভারতীয় সাধারণ সম্পাদক অভিষেক বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় পরিষ্কার বলেছিলেন যে কোর্টের স্টে অর্ডার থাকার জন্য শাহজাহানের বিরুদ্ধে পুলিশ পদক্ষেপ নিতে পারছে না। এই স্টে অর্ডার যদি উঠে যায় তাহলে 7 দিনের মধ্যে শেখ শাহজাহান অ্যারেস্ট হবে। পরবর্তী ক্ষেত্রে পরের দিনই যখন দেখলাম মহামান্য আদালত সেই স্টে অর্ডার তুলে নিল, তারপর 7 দিন নয় 3 থেকে 4 দিনের মধ্যেই শেখ শাহজাহান অ্যারেস্ট হলো। এটা প্রমাণ করে একদিকে বিজেপি শাসিত রাজ্যে অভিযুক্ত বিজেপির নেতারা যখন বিজেপির মাথার মুকুটের পালক হয়ে ঘুরে বেড়ায়, আর এখানে অভিযুক্তরা যদি তৃণমূলের সাথেও যুক্ত হয়, তাদের বিরুদ্ধে যদি প্রমাণ থাকে, এখানে প্রশাসন তাকে রেয়াত করে না। তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের এই রাজধর্ম পালন দেখে বিজেপির শেখা উচিত।
Right. After more than 50 days of unchecked freedom, TMC attempts to claim credit for the arrest, despite Mamta openly supporting the Mafia Don during the entire period. Only shifting stance after High Court stated that both ED and the police can apprehend the criminal. Big breaking news there. Couple of reactions coming in. Shantanu Sen, of course, the TMC leader, is defending himself, saying that they could not arrest Shahjahan Sheikh because of the court's stay order. I'm joined by my colleague Niranjan. A very good morning. A very good morning to you, Niranjan. And Niranjan, we were just hearing the TMC leader, Shantanu Sen. He was defending himself, rather, saying that they could not arrest Shahjahan Sheikh because of the court's stay order.
Well, Giri, it appears, first of all, it's a great morning to hear that Sheikh Shahjahan has been arrested. And if you try and give the credit to the Mamata Banerjee police, it's ironic, isn't it? I mean, for a state government that has failed miserably for the last 50 days and more, because even before these last 50 days, Sheikh Shahjahan has been on the run, even when the Enforcement Directorate was looking for him, when his goons attacked the Enforcement Directorate. It was a physical attack. Can you imagine in a state in India where a Mafia Don's henchmen attack the Enforcement Directorate team under state patronage? And Sheikh Shahjahan has been on the run for the last 50 days. And now when you hear the Trinamool Congress, I just heard some big words mentioned by the Trinamool Congress parliamentarian there. He said that the arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan proves that the Mamata Banerjee government believes in Raj Dharma. Look at the words he uses. He says, Mamata Banerjee government believes in Raj Dharma in an administrative manner, and that is why they arrested Sheikh Shahjahan. And they try to blame the stay order. Let me tell you, the court itself clarified twice, I think, in the last 1 week that there has been no stay order. There is no stay on the arrest of Sheikh Shahjahan. So it's an embarrassing situation where the Mamata Banerjee government has been pulled up not once, not twice, but several times in the last couple of weeks on the issue of Sandeshkhali inside the court, when the courts have said that there is this mafia don, this goon called Sheikh Shahjahan, accused of rape, accused of abduction, accused of murder. Now, if this man is on the run, it speaks poorly of the state, and that the state has been unable to sort of arrest him and get him under, to lay their hands on him. And the arrest has happened exactly about 2 or 3 days after. Even yesterday, there was another hearing in the Calcutta High Court. I was going through the judgment, the observations made by the court. The court once again yesterday, to the embarrassment of Mamata Banerjee government, had asked why Sheikh Shahjahan had not been arrested. saying that the state government was arresting, people left, right, center and putting them behind bars within hours of an FIR being filed. But in the case of Sheikh Shah Jahan, they have failed miserably, Guinea. And this is such an embarrassment, isn't it? Because I have not seen in the recent past any government that has been pulled up, not once, not twice. I mean, in every hearing on this case, the state government has been pulled up. Such an embarrassment. And I think Mamata Banerjee government realized that she can't, her government and the police can't really do much, because yesterday a very, very significant observation was made that not just the West Bengal police, but even the CBI, even the ED, which are probing Sheikh Shah Jahan's role in several cases, they had the powers to arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. And before they could move in, and it would have been, imagine the situation when the Mamata Banerjee government was unable to arrest him for the last 50 days. And the CBI and ED had found Sheikh Shah Jahan before her government and her police. What an embarrassment that would have been. I'm going across to Shishir Bajoria. Shishir Bajoria is joining us on the phone line. Shishir Bajoria, now you see what has happened. I mean, yesterday the court makes that observation, says that even the CBI and ED can arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. And last evening I saw the tweet of Shuvendu Adhikari 19 hours back or 20 hours back. Yesterday afternoon, in fact, he put that tweet out saying that he's already been apprehended. You had the tip-off that he's already been apprehended and he was striking a deal with the police and that he was being moved from one place to another. It appears that they were waiting for this moment. They knew where he was all along. It appears that way, Shishir Bajoria.
Yes. Hello?
Shishir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can now hear you. Yeah, to answer your point, yesterday, the tweet that you spoke about of a leader of the opposition, Shuvendu Adhikari, we were all at this protest together. Now, first of all, I am very clear of one thing. For last 55 days, Sri Sheikh Shah Jahan was in the tender care of West Bengal police. They provided him this cover. They kept him covered. They were thinking that they'll manage to save him. But this unrelenting protest by the tormented women, by the raped women, by the molested women, and I must say, BJP stood completely with the tortured people of Sandesh Khali. When they found out that they can do nothing, they started the new thing that the court has forbidden us to arrest. This was a fig leaf which the court removed by saying there is no stay on you. I mean, there was never a stay. They imagined the stay, they brought it out in the open. The imaginary stay, when the court said no, there is no stay. Immediately thereafter, their chief spokesperson makes a statement saying he will be arrested in 7 days. By a party spokesperson saying he will be arrested in 7 days. You knew. That's what I'm saying. This man was in their tender care of West Bengal police. A very pertinent point I'll make here. The present DG of West Bengal police, was he not a fugitive from law for 20 days?
He was not just a fugitive, it appears, with whatever was happening in the last 1 week. I remember it was exactly last Thursday. It was last Thursday when in the court, when our reporter Shantupan was arrested and he was granted bail exactly last Thursday, Shishir. And even back then when he was being moved out of Sandesh Kali, all the troops, all the police from adjoining districts had rushed into Sandesh Kali, perhaps realizing where he was. And I fear that maybe they knew all along. They were waiting for that moment. And I think yesterday the court saying that even the ED and CBI could pick him up. That was maybe the tipping point when they realized that they could swoop in. And that would have been a bigger embarrassment.
Just to repeat the point, they provided him the cover. They not only knew, they provided him the cover from 5th of January. And we are all very sure that Sheikh Shah Jahan was in the tender care of West Bengal police. This is the unfortunate situation in our state. The women were tormented, their lands taken, they were taken to TMC offices, raped, molested, beaten, their husbands beaten. husband's told in front of everybody they may be your legally married wife, but so what? This is the condition. When they finally, the last straw which broke the camel's back, possibly it was when they found out that nothing more, as you said, CBI or ED could well pick up Shah Jahan. So this is something which happened. This is shameful. 56th day, a dawn of the Sandesh Khali. He is being shown. I'm using the word shown as arrested.
Yes. Yeah.
As regards your
Absolutely.
journalist,
Thank you, Shishir, for speaking to Republic TV. Shishir Bajoria. Yes. Yes, go ahead. Sorry, I cut you short. There's a delay there. Go ahead, Shishir.
As regards the journalist of Republic Bangla who was arrested, for what? Could they even prove their charges? Nothing. He did no wrong, but because it was not suiting them to show all this, he was arrested. He was arrested also as a message to all the media that you show this, we will arrest you.
Yeah.
But you guys stood there, and finally they could show nothing that where did Shambhu Pan outrage the modesty of a woman. Could they show? They could not show.
Yeah. There was nothing there. Absolutely nothing there. And they what an embarrassment when a state government goes after young people and, trumps up fake charges and is embarrassed in the court and the investigation is dead. But this is not about us. It is about the women of Sandesh Khali. Women of Sandesh Khali who've been protesting non-stop for over 50 days now. 50 days and more, they've been protesting. They've been on the streets. You've seen the anger on the streets in Sandesh Khali, where even the Trinamool Congress leaders have not been spared. They have faced the anger of the people of Sandesh Khali. And Mamata Banerjee, embarrassed not once or twice. I've never seen a government that has been embarrassed like this in the past, being pulled up by the court again and again and again. And the way it's all been piling up, I don't think Mamata Banerjee could have hid it any longer. I don't think a government could have hid it any longer. Let me go across to my colleague Shravan Sen, also joining us on the broadcast. Shravan, I think it was clear. You look at the timeline, they knew where he was all along. It appears they knew exactly where he was all along. They sort of shielded him, may have given him cover. They were waiting yesterday. I was just asking this question. Maybe they knew that the ED and CBI, when the court pronounced yesterday in as many words, that the ED and CBI had the powers to swoop in even before the Bengal police to arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan if needed. And perhaps that was the point when they realized, and that is when they realized, Shravan, that it was game over. And BJP is alleging that he was already in custody and they were moving him since yesterday. They were perhaps monitoring what was going on in court. It's possible. It's quite possible.
Well, in fact, Niranjan, where do these reports really stem from? The fact that allegations that Shishir Bajoria was leveling at the West Bengal police, that Sheikh Shah Jahan was provided with security,